Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to look at how you can import data in SPSS. So I know maybe we might be struggling on how we are supposed to import data so that we can act on that data. So depending on where you have placed your SPSS in your laptop or your desktop, so if you're placed in a bar or you have pinned it, it's easy available for you. But if you have not done it, you can go to here start, and then you type SPSS, and then it is going to appear in this left side. So you see this one. So if I could not have pinned it here, I could have done that. And then I go to SPSS, you say open. You will burden my laptop. It's slowly because it had some problems. Splash on it. That's why it's very slow when it comes to opening. But I was told that in such cases, when your laptop is slow, you can change the hard drive to be SSD. So I don't know. I will try, guys, and see if it is going to be faster, because it is frustrating if you're doing analysis and then you are receiving this kind of late responses. And mind you, the speed of this laptop is very high. It's only that it had that problem where I splashed tea on it, and then that was the beginning of the problem. So let's wait for it to open. So at my pop-up window, I'm seeing that I have some days left for my trial to expire. So I close that one because I don't need that one. So I close that. Then now I am ready to import the data that I have. So yes, we're going to look at how you can import data from Excel. So we are going to do the importation of data. Say that you are going to go to file and then you go to import. Now we are going to import from Excel. You click Excel, you double click Excel, and then you're going to be taken. So depending on where you have stored your data in your laptop, it will lead you now. So you can, if you have saved data in downloads, you can click downloads and then you can get your data. If you have saved your data in desktop, also the same. If you have saved your data in gallery, libraries, network, or in the local disk, depending on the partition of your laptop. So my data, I've saved it in downloads. So I'm going to click the downloads, and then I'm going to browse the data that I want to bring in. So I'm going to look for the data that I'm looking for, the data that I have. So this is the data that I'm going to upload, new data to use. This one is the one that I've saved for these purposes. Okay, so I'm going to click that data, and it is being brought into the file name. And then now also we are supposed to look at files of type, because we say that we are importing data from Excel. So you still have those other areas that we say that you can import data from. So ensure that the type of place that you're importing data from is clicked. So you click open, and then you're told it's give you the pathway where your data is saved in your laptop. So I'm told that read variables names, yes, and then I click continue, and then my data is brought in the SPSS. So I can start to do my analysis because my data is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has helped you to know how to import data from Excel if you did not know. So thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, share other people to learn, because sharing is caring. Thank you so much.